Hello children, I hope you all are enjoying our digital classes. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had learned the concept of what is next. Correct? Now today, we are going to learn a new concept. Let us measure. Your textbook's page number 74. Children, measurement means a size or a amount that is found by measuring. Okay? We can measure length of anything like length of a room, length of a book, length of a pencil, etc. It is also used to measure distances. For example, distance from your home to school, distance between two cities. Okay? Now children, how can we measure the length? We can measure the length by using the hand span and the foot span to measure small lengths. Okay? Okay. What do you mean by hand span? Hand span is a distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Now, look in your textbook. Yash needed a bed cover for his cot. Yash does not have any measuring tape. So, he measured the length by measuring hand span. Yash measured the length as 11 spans. So the length of bed cover should be 13 spans, as it has to be a little longer to fold it. Okay? Now let's see, what do you mean by foot span? Foot span is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Look at this girl. This girl is measuring the distance between two flower pots nearby by using foot span. So, let's measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 feet. Understood? Now tell me, which instrument is used to measure cloth? Yes, correct. We use tailoring measurement tape to measure a cloth. Now tell me, which instrument do you use to measure a length of your textbook? Yes, correct. We use ruler to measure small lengths. And if we do not have any tape or ruler to measure small lengths, we use our hand span or foot span to measure lengths. So children, I think your concept of measurement is clear. Now today's homework. Question number 1. Guess the length of a newspaper. Measure it by span and write. Question number 2. Measure the length of your maths textbook by span. Question number 3. Measure the length of your towel by span. Question number 4. Measure the length of your bedroom by feet. Question number 5. Measure the distance by feet between two flower pots nearby. So, we will come with a new concept in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.